If your sound therapy is still easily noticeable while the sound therapy is activated, please do the following steps. Change your program by selecting the Change Program button on the home screen. We recommend switching to frequency targeting, low, low-mid, mid-high, or high frequencies programs. For this example, we're going to select the mid-high frequencies program. You'll take the hearing assessment for just the two frequencies that are being targeted, which are the 4000 and 6000 Hz frequencies in this example targeting mid-high frequencies. Set each slider to the just inaudible level. To do this, find the last audible level for each frequency and then move it down another 2 to 3 decibels. When set up correctly, the sound therapy should be just inaudible. If your sound therapy is still audible, retake the hearing assessment and only adjust the two frequencies you are targeting. For this example, you would be lowering the 4000 and 6000 Hz frequencies by another 2 to 3 decibels. The sound therapy should be just inaudible. If you're still experiencing issues, please reach out to us at support@audiocardio.com.